global food crisis.
Financial crisis has badly affected underdeveloped countries, and Pakistan is one of the countries who has been badly affected by the crisis. The poverty graph has been increased since 1980s, but near about 2 million acre agricultural land under the sea due to shortage of irrigation water in the Indus Delta. That's why the people who relied upon the resources now they are suffering from the extreme poverty. Parents have no money. That's why they are not focusing proper treatment of their children, and the children under the age of 5 are face the death. The reasons of the death, the children who are facing the disease of diarrhea, polio and waterborne disease. That's why the parents are helpless to save their next generation. There's no lady doctors and health facilities not available. That's why children and women are badly affected.
अग में मुंहिंजा टे पढ़ंदा हुआ जंहिंमां वीचारा ॿ जहिड़ा मौत जी थी जॾा थी विया मरी विया बाक़ी हिकिड़ो सभु घिसके थो बाक़ी आख़िरी पुटु आहे मी हिकिड़ो जो पढ़ी पुटु हो ई हिकिड़ो दिन
Every child have a right of education. Schools are not available. Teachers are not been appointed, and our children they are not getting their education. It is the vision of SAFCO that every citizen of this country may be able to get benefits from the resources and development aspect of the country, and they may get the facilities of social, political and economic activities. They may utilize their collective platform for their collective decisions. That's why the Pakistan Poverty Alleviation Fund and facilitation from the CGAP. This program has been introduced in the area. We identified 200 families who were ultra poor in the area, and we started the process.
पंहिंजे ॻोठ में कोई माण्हू हूंदा ज़मींदार बि हूंदा
हा ज़मींदार आहिनि असांजे ॻोठ में चार
Social Safety Net Project is a pilot project which is successfully implemented by BREAK in Bangladesh. We are replicating similar program in Pakistan as a pilot project, and we want to see the possible positive impact in this program at Pakistan. Selection of the potential area. We had a series of consultation meetings with all other partners about the identification and selection of the potential area for this project. After these meetings, we have decided to implement this project in the coastal belt of Sindh province in Pakistan. After that, we identified and selected those villages which are most deprived and neglected by all stakeholders. As you know that we don't have any specific definition of poverty or such any specific indicators to identify poor or ultra poor. Although we have implemented poverty scorecard for the identification of the ultra poor through wealth ranking and PRA. After the consultation meeting, we came up with such 5 set indicators for the selection of ultra poor, just like household should not have any productive asset, income of household less than 25 rupees per person per day, livelihood at risk like beggar and small fishermen, and last one is charity dependent household. To get all the 5 indicators, we used participatory rapid appraisal methodology for the identification of target families.
त का बि हिकिड़ी शइ पाण हितां खां शुरूआत कयूं हिन वक़्तु हिते वेठे ही छा आहे ही छा थियल आहे उतां खां न बोले यती मां तो पूछा थी घर का था घर लगा वो किथे है वो घर इतने ही नहीं पाड़ी तो बताया किथे है वो कच्चो घर
तव्हां सां गॾु तव्हांजी घरवारी सां गॾु पोइ तव्हां बचड़ा तव्हां केतिरा चार बचड़ा बता पाण जी दुनिया में हर जगह ते 5 कैटेगरी जा माण्हू हूंदा आहिनि 5 तबक़नि जा माण्हू हूंदा आहिनि.
After the identification of ultra poor, we are maintaining control in beneficiary group for the impact assessment purposes. And we have completed pre-intervention research with both control and beneficiary group.
सब जेके टोटल फैमिलीज़ आहिनि उन जे असां रिसर्च कंप्लीट कई
ही मोहम्मद जो घर आहे. अच्छा ते केरु रहंदो आहे तव्हांजे घर में वॾो केरु आहे माण्हू मां जो नालो छा आहे तव्हांजी जो फातिमा आहे. फातिमा तव्हांजी अम्मा उहा छा कंदी आहे पाण
असांजी मां
जी जी
असांजी मां
पिनी अचे
हाणे काफ़ी अहिड़ा
There are several people who are beggars, many women who are widows, and the children who are orphans, and many people who are jobless and helpless. We identified 200 families.
रोज़ पाणी गुज़र सफ़र कीअं कंदा आहियो?
कंदा आहियूं हिकिड़ो बचो कमाइण वारो आहे पोइ ईंदा ठाकुर जो कमु कंदो तारीफ़
ॿार के पढ़ंदा आहिनि तव्हांजा? अदी जो फार्म भरियो आहे. अदी जो नालो छा आहे? कमाई वारो कमाई वारो छोकिरो हिकिड़ो आहे. तमामु घणी महिरबानी तव्हां असांखे मालूमात ॾिनी.
Within the village, initially it was very critical to segregate control and beneficiary group within the same village. So then we have decided to have a transparent lottery program within the village, which was organized by a community development organization at the village level. To initiate the process, they will write down all the names of identified ultra poors in the village and put their names in the lottery box. Then they will call a child who will pick the name of the box. Those who were drawn are declared beneficiaries and rest are the control group.
जेकी असांजी मेन एक्टिविटी आहे उहा आहे TNA ट्रेनिंग नीड असेसमेंट. असां इन में जेको असांजो क्लाइंट ऐं बेनिफिशरी आहे असां हुन खां विल ऐं स्किल ॾिसंदा आहियूं त आया के मर्द में या औरत में उन में विल ऐं स्किल छा आहे, कहिड़ी शइ उन वटि हुनुर आहे, हिन वटि मौजूदु आहे, बिज़नेस उहो कहिड़े क़िस्म जो करणु चाहे थो, इंट्रस्ट हुन ॻोल्हणो हूंदो आहे.
Basically, we want to see if we graduate ultra poor, too poor, or above the poverty line, what options are available in the area, which we can offer them through capacity building and training. During livelihood strategy development, we have identified options like donkey cart, meat making, grocery shop, mobile vegetable shop, livestock and poultry. We identify such 11 options and on basis of these, we transfer them assets.